Team R4UL, we're back again. We are back again, and what we're going to do is we've got a 2014 plate VW Touran here, 1.6 diesel, and we're going to change the turbo actuator valve. We're not going to change the turbo because this car's coming and everything, lacking in power and everything. It could be the turbo, okay? I'm not denying it and everything. So before you go ahead and spending £500, £600, whatever it is on a turbo, why not just change the actuator? Well, 50 quid or something from eBay, get one of them, change it, see if it does it. If it doesn't do it, then change the turbo. If it does it, happy days, let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this air filter box off. Literally just take that little switch off, clip there, Jubilee clip might be, so whatever, it's a clip, yeah. This box just lifts off, this cover just lifts off. We're going to take the battery off, shift all that out of the way, we can gain access that way. Basically it lives down there. And yeah, so let's take the air filter box off, battery off, and the piping and all that off, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do is, now as you can see, I've took all this off. So all this is off, right? There's the actuator, that one here. So this switch, press it down there. There we go, that should come off. Right, there's a little pipe here which I've already taken off. This one here. Right then, this actuator is an easy job to do. There's only one part of it where it's really hard. It's basically getting the circlip off. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take these three off. 1, 2, 3. Let's make it out there. 1, 2, 3. I think they're 10 millis. Take them off, the actuator will be moving, and hopefully we can get to the circlip. So come on guys, let's go, let's take that off. Okay guys, we have taken them 3 bolts off. Now as you can see, the actuator is freestyling, it's all over the place. Woo, yeah, that's it. What we're going to do is, now this is the hard bit, the bit I said is the hardest bit. Down there, you can just make it out there. I'll point it out on the edit, right? Where it's moving there, there's a little circlip there. We need to take that off without dropping it, which is going to be a mission, because last time I did, I dropped it, then I had to buy a new circlip. Yeah, happy days. Right, so yeah, we need to take that off without dropping it. Take that off and the job is easy. Yeah, basically it'll come off, happy days, done. If we can't take it off, then the only other option is to take the turbo off to get that off, which is, you might as well change the turbo then. So I would say, there's no way to show you guys this, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to try, can you see my fingers where my fingers are? I'm going to see if I can just get a little screwdriver there, just on the top there, right, and just flick that little circlip off and hold it at the same time. So I'm going to, without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to do this, because I cannot do this with one hand. Okay guys, there we have it. The actuator is off. The thing is, to get that clip off, pretty hard. Okay, so there's the actuator, yep. Right, so that what happens is that there goes through the rod, that hole there. Okay, and then what happens is there's a circlip that goes on the end of there. Right, to get that circlip off, what I had to do is I pushed a little screwdriver on the side, right, just there. You'll see it when you come take it off, and then that gave me a little bit of gap. Then what I did is get tiny long nose pliers. I'll show you which ones. Them ones, small ones, right, gripped it, and then just pulled it straight off. But the thing, okay guys, there we have it. There's the new one, second-hand new one. I'd rather just go for a second-hand new one. I mean, you're gonna go for a brand new one. Actually, brand new ones on eBay or something like that, they're about 50 quid. This second-hand one, I had one lying in the garage, so lying around in the garage. So I thought I'll try this one on. Looks exactly the same, everything's right. I know this is a good one because I took it off another turbo and everything, and the turbo's down there as well, all good, right? So put this one on. If it does it, then happy days. If it doesn't do it, then obviously it is turbo. So or a boost sensor or something like that. So let's get this one. There's the old one, if you don't believe me. There's one, and there's another one. There you go. So yeah, let's get it on. Okay guys, I'm going to try showing you and holding the camera and putting it on at the same time, right? So try my best. Okay, there we go. We're on there, yeah? You just make it out there, we're on there. If I pull it out, pull it back, push it back in, pull it out, push it back in. So can you see the end of that rod there? That's where the circlip's going to go on. Again, small long nose pliers, end of the circlip, and just push it in. That's it. So yeah, I need 2 hands to do that, guys. Sorry, but I'll put the camera down. Okay guys, I've got the thing back on, and to be honest with you, I'll be straight up honest with you, it went on so easily. I just got it lined up, pushed it straight on, bang, first time. So I got lucky. I think I got lucky. Normally you will struggle to get it on, but I just got lucky this time. As you can see there, the clip is on, circlip's on. What we're going to do now is them 3 bolts, get it over here, line them 3 up, put them 3 bolts back on, and yeah, just finish it off, reverse order. Let's go guys, let's do this. We're on the home stretch, let's go. Okay guys, we have got everything back on. We've got the battery on, air filters back on, the box is back on, that is, pipes back on, the actuators back on, the cover obviously I'm going to put that back on after. I'll just show you guys, I left it off, right, and that's it. That is about it. All we're going to do now is start it up. Hopefully that should do it, you know, do the job. Like I said, if you could go and just change the whole turbo with the actuator, everything on it, but sake of, you know, 50 quid, 60 quid, just change that first, see how it goes. Alright guys. Okay guys, I hope this helps you guys out. If you're changing the actuator on your VW TOURAN 2014 plate, hope that helps you guys out. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like and everything. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will try to get back to you guys. And yeah, as you guys know, coronavirus and everything, I'm only out here because I'm at work straight back home. That's it. Stay home, stay safe, and yeah, peace and blessings to you guys, everybody. Stay safe, and I will see you guys soon.